Managing blood sugar is a daily journey for those living with diabetes. It involves careful attention to diet, exercise, and often medication. But did you know that certain natural options, like herbal teas, might offer supportive benefits? While tea is certainly not a cure or a replacement for medical treatment, some herbal varieties have properties that research suggests could play a role in blood sugar management. They can be a comforting and potentially beneficial addition to your overall health plan. It's crucial to remember that everyone's body is different. Before making any changes to your diet or incorporating new supplements, including herbal teas, always talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and current medications. With that important note in mind, let's explore 5 herbal teas that are often discussed for their potential benefits in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Fenugreek is an herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in South Asia and the Middle East. Its seeds are rich in fiber and other compounds that may help slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and sugars. Studies have indicated that fenugreek may improve glucose tolerance and lower blood sugar levels. Drinking fenugreek tea, made from the seeds, could be a simple way to incorporate this herb into your routine. To make the tea, you can steep fenugreek seeds in hot water. Some people find the taste slightly bitter, but it can be adjusted. Consistency is often key when using natural remedies. Cinnamon is a popular spice known for its warm flavor, but it also has a long history of medicinal use. Research suggests that compounds in cinnamon may mimic the effects of insulin and help glucose move from the bloodstream into cells. It may also help improve insulin sensitivity, making insulin more effective at lowering blood sugar. Enjoying cinnamon tea can be a delicious way to potentially gain these benefits. You can make cinnamon tea by steeping a cinnamon stick or using ground cinnamon in hot water. It's a comforting drink, especially during colder months. Remember to choose Ceylon cinnamon if possible, as it contains less coumarin than cassia cinnamon. Ginger is another widely used spice with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Beyond soothing digestion, some studies suggest ginger may have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. It's thought that ginger might help improve insulin sensitivity and aid in carbohydrate metabolism. Drinking ginger tea, made from fresh or dried ginger root, is a popular way to consume it. Simply slice fresh ginger or use dried pieces and steep in hot water. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Ginger tea can be a refreshing and potentially beneficial part of your daily fluid intake. Hibiscus tea, made from the vibrant calyces of the hibiscus flower, is known for its tart, cranberry-like flavor and beautiful red color. It's also recognized for its potential benefits for heart health, including blood pressure management. Some research also suggests that hibiscus tea may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. Its antioxidant properties could play a role in overall metabolic health. Enjoying unsweetened hibiscus tea can be a flavorful alternative to other beverages. It can be consumed hot or iced. As with any tea, avoid adding sugar or sweeteners if you are managing blood sugar. Rooibos, or red bush tea, is a caffeine-free herbal tea originating from South Africa. It's packed with antioxidants, including a unique one called aspalathin, which has been specifically linked to blood sugar benefits. Studies suggest that aspalathin in rooibos may help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by muscles. This could contribute to better blood sugar control. Rooibos tea has a naturally slightly sweet and earthy flavor. It's a great caffeine-free option that can be enjoyed any time of day. It can be a soothing addition to your evening routine. Incorporating certain herbal teas into your daily routine might offer a small, supportive boost in managing your blood sugar levels alongside your prescribed medical treatment, healthy diet, and regular exercise. Fenugreek, cinnamon, ginger, hibiscus, and rooibos teas are just a few examples that show promise. Remember, these teas are not magic bullets, but rather potential complementary tools. Their effects can vary from person to person. Always prioritize the treatment plan developed by your healthcare team. Think of these teas as enjoyable, potentially beneficial additions to your healthy lifestyle. They offer hydration and comforting warmth, along with their potential properties. Stay informed, stay proactive, and keep working closely with your doctor on your diabetes management plan.